What's up, guys? It's Gordo back with another video. Today is going to be Aaron's birthday bash at the farm. It's going to be an all-day event, but I have to cut out early because I have some other stuff going on. All right, guys, we did make it out to the farm. We got a few people here. Everything is set up for Aaron's birthday bash, so I will walk you guys around a little bit. This is going to be Aaron right here giving rides. He put a canopy on the Rollin. Right here, there's a deck up there now. Shout out to this kitchen skate park for the ramps.
Welcome to the farm BMX.
Welcome to the party. Gotcha on camera. Dang.
Happy birthday, Aaron. Happy birthday, Aaron. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pops. Happy birthday, Aaron. Happy birthday, Aaron.
Oh, happy birthday, Aaron! Aaron, you the man!
My name's I'm a and me and the community just wanted to say
happy birthday, Aaron.
Happy birthday to Aaron because his nipples are orange.
Try one more time.
Happy birthday, Aaron.
Thank you. You hiding. He's hiding. Happy birthday, big dog.
Thank you.
Gotcha. Here with Aaron. It's Aaron's birthday. How old are you, Aaron? 27?
21, actually.
21? So you're just able to drink.
Yeah, I just got it.
Nice.
First beer.
First beer ever.
And it's
21
really,
years old.
it tastes so bad, it's really weird.
I'll get you a kitty cocktail.
I appreciate that.
Happy birthday, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you guys so much for
This
being
is
out here.
awesome. Thank you for building this. It is now.
Like Gore, make sure you tell like go doing a front flip.
Ah, shit. No front flips today. You need a lawyer for that case.
Yeah, you can back. All right for him. I'll take a turn. Right. Yeah. Oh, Aaron has swag. Mike Gordon, you gotta do this after? You hit it right. Yeah! This side needs to go. Entertainment! Entertainment!
Yeah! Yeah, boy!
I didn't make you do that!
The last time you did that was like 3 months ago. Oh.
He's a hot bull.
Or he ain't talking to her.
Hey, do a bike flip, man. Do a bike flip. Woo! What's up, dude? Hey, dude. I think I'm gonna double flip. Are you gonna? Yeah. Right now? I don't think. I want to get an Instagram line and do double flip the flare whip. That'd be fire.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, witness.
Who wants to see a double backflip?
Dub.
Double flip, about to go down, boys.
Photos, not videos.
Right here.
Take pictures, not videos. Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Where was the flare whip?
I landed so low, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
Double back.
At least the cushion.
Jared,
Woo, that was the first one, man.
let's go.
We got more to unlock from there.
First, double backflip. Keep tapping around, man. Look at that. That would have been your head. Yeah.
Let's go.
We coming back, baby.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm down to go again. I'm down to go again. I lost it. Do you want me to move that? If you're down to go.
I'm gonna try a stunt.
What? A stunt?
No wonder. I told you. You're like, no. I told you, let's ride a little bit more. Instead of like going first. And you're like, no. Oh yeah, stunt. That was sick.
Out it, Shopsy. Right now, dude.
Hey, little brother, come to the fortress of Prostitute.
I like it. I'm like,
These are the smallest wheels we've been tested on. I can't believe it.
I needed this. I should have had these pictures when I first started. Who's that?
Marshall.
Oh. We're all wrapped up at the farm. I had to cut out a little bit early because I got some other stuff going on, but they're going to stay out there and have a session for Aaron's birthday. I want to thank you for coming out with us and enjoying the day. And don't forget, guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.